Hello, friends. Welcome back to Dad English. I am Anthony.
And I am Grace. We are so happy you are here to learn with us.
Anthony, I am very excited today. I feel ready to speak.
That is great energy, Antony. How are you feeling?
I am feeling fantastic. Thank you. And you?
I am doing well. Today, we have the most important topic for beginners.
Yes, the topic is tell me about yourself. It is the first thing people ask.
Exactly. But before we start, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button.
Yes, if you like this video, we will be very happy. Please share it with your friends.
Okay, Anthony, let's practice. Imagine we are meeting for the first time.
Okay, I am ready. I am nervous, but I am ready.
Hello. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Anthony. I am from London.
Very good start. Name and city. What comes next?
Next is my job. I am an English teacher and a YouTuber.
Perfect. Remember, for jobs, we use a or an. I am a teacher.
Right. Now you, Grace, tell me about yourself.
My name is Grace. I am from the United States. I live in a big city.
Nice. And what do you do?
I am a teacher too. I love helping people learn.
Okay, so we have name, place, and job. What is next?
Next is family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He is older than me.
Simple and clear. What about you? Are you married?
Yes, I am married. My wife is very kind. And you, Grace?
I am single. And I have 2 sisters. We are very close.
That is nice. Now, let's talk about the fun part. Hobbies.
Yes. This is what you like to do. Anthony, what do you like?
I like sleeping. Is that a hobby?
Maybe, but what about an activity?
Okay, I like watching movies, and I like eating pizza.
Great sentences. You used I like plus the ing word, watching, eating.
Yes, it is easy. What about you? What are your hobbies?
I like reading books and I like painting.
You are very artistic. I am not artistic. I can only draw stick figures.
That is okay. We're all different. That is why we introduce ourselves.
So the full introduction is name, place, job, family, hobbies.
Yes. Let's try to put it all together in one short speech. Go ahead, Anthony.
Okay, here I go. Hi, I am Anthony. I am from London. I am a teacher. I am married. And I like eating pizza.
Fantastic. That was confident and friendly.
It felt easy. I think our viewers can do this too.
I think so too. Just keep it simple.
Don't worry about big words. Just say what you know.
Well, Anthony, I think we learned a lot today.
Yes, but we are not finished yet. We need a favor from you.
That's right. Please like this video if it helped you.
See you next time. Good luck with your introductions.
Wait, Anthony, don't say goodbye yet. We have more time.
Really? Oh, good. I was just getting started. I love talking about myself.
I know you do, but this is good practice for our listeners. We talked about the basics, name, job, and simple hobbies. Now, let's go deeper.
Deeper? Like my darkest secrets?
No, not secrets, just more details. Let's talk about family again. You said you have a brother. Tell me more about him. What is he like?
That is a good question. My brother is very different from me. He is very tall, much taller than me.
Does he look like you?
A little bit. We both have brown eyes. But he has no hair. He is bald, and he is very serious. He does not like jokes.
Oh, so he is the opposite of you.
Completely. He lives in the countryside. He likes quiet places. I like the noisy city. What about your sisters, Grace?
I have two sisters. They are both younger than me. One is a nurse and one is a student.
A nurse. That is a hard job. Is she busy?
She is very busy. She works at night sometimes, but she is very kind and loves helping people.
And the student sister? What does she study?
She studies music. She plays the violin. She practices every day for 4 hours.
Wow. Your family is very talented. You paint, she plays music, and I just eat pizza.
Eating pizza is a talent too, Antony. But this is a great tip for learners. Step 2 of Tell Me About Yourself is describing your family's personality.
Yes, you can say, my brother is funny, or my sister is hardworking.
Exactly. Now let's move to another big topic. Your childhood.
Oh no, my childhood?
Yes. People often ask, where did you grow up?
Ah, that is a good phrase. Grow up means where you were a child.
Correct. So, Antony, where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small village in the north. It was very small. There were more cows than people.
Really? Did you like it?
When I was young, I liked it. I rode my bicycle everywhere. It was very safe. Everyone knew my name.
That sounds lovely. But now you live in London. Why did you move?
I moved for my job, and I wanted to be near cinemas and restaurants. The village had no restaurants.
I understand. I grew up in the city. I have always been a city girl.
Did you play outside in the city?
Yes, we played in the park, but we had to be careful of the cars. It was very busy.
So, listeners, you can say, I grew up in the city, or I grew up in the countryside.
Let's transition to work history. We know you are a teacher now, but what was your first job?
My first job. Oh, it was terrible. I was a waiter.
A waiter? Were you good at it?
Grace, I was the worst waiter in the world. I dropped plates. I forgot orders.
Did you spill coffee on anyone?
Yes, I spilled tomato soup on a customer's shoes. I was fired after 2 weeks.
Oh no! Fired means you lost the job.
Yes, the boss said, Antony, please go home. You are dangerous. What about you? What was your first job?
My first job was babysitting. I watched my neighbor's children.
That is a big responsibility. Were they good children?
Usually. Sometimes they cried, but we played games and it was fun.
See, you were always good with people. I was bad with soup.
It helps to know your strengths. Listeners, you can talk about your past jobs too. Use I was a.
I was a waiter. I was a student. I was a driver.
Now let's talk about food and cooking. We know you love eating, but do you cook?
I tried to cook, but I am dangerous in the kitchen.
Dangerous? Why?
I burn everything. Last week, I tried to make toast. I set off the fire alarm.
You burnt toast? That is the easiest thing to make.
I know. I was watching TV and I forgot about the bread. Beep, beep, beep. My neighbors were not happy.
So you prefer eating out at restaurants?
Yes, or ordering delivery. I am very good at using the food app on my phone.
That is a skill. I actually love cooking. It relaxes me.
What is your signature dish? The best thing you cook?
I make a very good lasagna. It takes 3 hours to make.
3 hours? I cannot wait 3 hours for food. I get hangry.
Hangry?
Hangry. Hungry plus angry equals hangry.
That is a very useful word for English learners.
Yes. Don't talk to me. I am hangry.
Let's talk about travel. People love asking, have you traveled much?
I like travel, but I hate airports. We know this.
Yes, we know. But what is your favorite place you have visited?
I went to Italy once. I loved it.
Why did you like Italy?
2 reasons. 1, the pizza. 2, the gelato.
Always food with you. Did you see the history, the art?
I saw the Colosseum. It was big. But then I went to lunch.
Fair enough. My favorite trip was to Japan.
Japan. That is a long flight.
It was long, but the country is beautiful. The people are so polite, and the trains are always on time.
Did you eat sushi?
Yes, lots of sushi and ramen noodles.
Ooh, delicious. So, listeners, when you introduce yourself, say, I went to, and I liked it because.
I liked the food. I liked the weather. I liked the people.
Now, Grace, a hard question. What are you afraid of?
Oh, fears. That is personal.
We are friends now. Tell us.
I am afraid of spiders.
Spiders? The little guys with 8 legs?
They are not little, they are scary. If I see a spider, I run away.
I am not afraid of spiders. I am the spider catcher in my house. My wife calls me when there is a spider.
You are brave. What are you afraid of?
I am afraid of heights. I don't like high places.
So no skydiving for you?
Never. I will stay on the ground, thank you.
Talking about fears is a good way to bond with people. I am afraid of...
Okay, let's change to a happy topic. Dreams and goals. What do you want to do in the future?
I want to write a book.
A book? That is exciting. What kind of book?
Maybe a children's book. Or a book about learning English.
You should write a book called How to Tolerate Antony.
That would be a bestseller. Everyone would buy it.
What about my goal? Do you want to know my dream?
Of course. What is your goal for the future?
I want to learn another language. I want to learn Spanish.
That is a great goal. Why Spanish?
So I can travel to South America and order more food.
I should have guessed. It is always about food. Listeners, you can say, I want to, or my goal is to.
I want to get a better job. I want to buy a house.
It is good to share dreams.
We have talked for a long time, Grace. Let's do a quick fire round.
Quick fire? What is that?
I ask a fast question, you give a fast answer. Don't think.
Okay, I am ready. I'm nervous.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Summer or winter?
Summer.
Morning or night?
Morning.
Dogs or cats?
Cats. Sorry, Antony.
Okay, my turn. Ask me.
Sweet or salty?
Salty.
Movies or books?
Movies.
Driving or flying?
Driving. Definitely driving.
Money or time?
Ooh, hard one. Time. Time to sleep.
Good answer. This game is great for beginners. It is easy to ask this or that.
Yes, it keeps the conversation moving. Now, let's give some advice for learners.
How can they introduce themselves confidently?
Number 1, smile.
Yes, if you smile, people think your English is better. It is magic.
Number 2, speak slowly. There is no rush.
Correct. If you speak fast, you make mistakes. If you speak slowly, you are clear.
Number 3, ask questions back.
This is the secret strategy. If you say, "My name is Antony, what is your name?"
Then the other person has to talk, and you can relax.
Exactly. It makes you a good conversationalist.
I do that all the time. I just ask questions so I can eat my chips.
What questions do you ask?
I ask, where are you from? Do you like the food here? Is that your car?
Simple questions are the best. Grace, tell me about your typical weekend again, but in detail.
Why? Do you want to copy my schedule?
No, I want to know how productive people live.
Okay. On Saturday morning, I do yoga. Then I go to the library.
Yoga and books, very healthy.
Then I meet my friends for coffee. We talk for 2 hours.
Talking is good practice.
On Sunday, I clean my apartment. I do laundry. I prep my meals for the week.
You prep meals. Like you cook for Monday on Sunday?
Yes, it saves time during the week.
That is too organized for me. I decide what I eat when my stomach growls.
You should try planning, Antony. It reduces stress.
Maybe. My weekend is sleep, wake up, look for snacks, watch football, sleep.
That sounds very relaxing, to be honest.
It is. It is the Antony method.
We have covered so much today. Let's review the list for Tell Me About Yourself.
1. Name and origin.
2. Job and work history.
3. Family and personality.
4. Hobbies and interests.
5. Dreams and goals.
If you can say one sentence about each of these, you are fluent.
It is true. You don't need big words. Just tell your story.
Everyone has an interesting story, even you, Antony.
Especially me. My story about the burnt toast is a classic.
We have time for one last section, personality adjectives.
How to describe yourself. Okay.
I am optimistic.
Optimistic means you think happy thoughts about the future.
Yes, I am also organized.
Very true. You prep your meals.
What are you, Antony?
I am easygoing.
Easygoing, relaxed.
Yes, and I am curious. I like to learn new things.
And you are honest. You told us about being a bad waiter.
I am very honest. Sometimes too honest.
Other words our listeners can use: shy, outgoing, or creative.
Pick one word that describes you. This is great homework.
We are at the end of the mega episode. Antony, do you feel confident?
Yes, I feel like I can talk to anyone now.
That is the goal of Dad English. Confidence.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
Well said.
Can I go eat lunch now? I am talking about food too much.
Yes, you can go, but first we need to ask the listeners something.
Oh yes, the most important part.
Please subscribe and give this episode a like if you learned something new.
And now for the question of the day. We want you to practice.
Go to the comment section below and tell us about yourself.
You can write, my name is, I am from, or I like.
Or tell us, I am optimistic, or I am shy.
We want to know you.
We will read the comments, I promise.
Thank you for listening to this long episode. You are doing great.
Stay safe and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Running to get pizza.